Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com. Up first, a 2022 Prime Minister National Youth Awardee for Excellence was shot and killed in Manchester on Friday. CJ Cunningham was among two persons attacked. The other victim was wounded. His mother is devastated, the community on edge, and the police are encouraging those with information to help. Jamila Maitland reports.
Joan Lewis weeps on the veranda of the home she shared with her son, CJ Cunningham, in Chantilly, Manchester. He was gunned down while working in neighbouring Davidton Friday afternoon. His mother is heartbroken.
Every time I picture him, it's like I'm in a dream.
According to the police report, residents heard loud explosions coming from a house around 5:45 p.m. Cunningham and another man who was shot and wounded were doing tiling there. Miss Lewis couldn't hold back the tears as she clutched her son's awards. He was a farmer and CEO of Fairwoods Farm. He planted a variety of crops, but he loved strawberries. CJ Cunningham was awarded the Prime Minister's National Youth Award for Excellence in Agriculture and Agro-Processing in 2022.
The recipient of this award is CJ Cunningham.
Here he is with Prime Minister Andrew Holness accepting his award at Jamaica House. Proud, she recalled the moment.
Thank God, the media come into my home and it's not for crime. It's not for anything evil. Thank you, Jesus. And now they come back. Oh God, it's for crime.
Mr. Holness released a statement condemning the killing, describing CJ as a promising young entrepreneur. It read in part, "Through his hard work and dedication, CJ exemplified the spirit of resilience and innovation for our youth." End quote. It's why Councillor Mario Mitchell is shocked at his murder.
This is a young man that hardworking, dedicated, committed, somebody who is a contributing member of society in a positive way and a role model to the community. So I'm trying to determine exactly what's the reason behind such a gruesome act of a promising young man who has done nothing but to lift up the community and to put the community in a positive light. It is something that we must get to the bottom of.
The police are asking anyone with information to come forward. While in the community, residents declined to speak on camera. They told us they were fearful. As for CJ's mother, Miss Lewis,
you have inspired a lot. Probably who kill you not inspire nobody. Because for them inspiration is just to go around and kill. But thanks be to God, you have inspired a lot.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.